So here we are down on Kish Creek, doing a little float fishing with the beads again. See if we can catch something. This time we're going to be on the lower end of the narrows, working our way up from the ball field. All kinds of old grindstones. There's one and there's one. Oh, grindstone. This is just a beautiful little like pocket runway right here. Just look at that. And I'm not picking nothing up. This is what's surprising me right now. Drop it right over there. Just nothing.
You fucking ate that thing, dude.
Kind of a dreary day today. It's about 50 degrees. Gonna try out the narrows, see if we can catch some trout.
Ain't that nuts? That's beautiful, dude.
It is. See that?
Yeah.
You know what that is?
Walnut shell?
Yeah, a squirrel busted a nut all over that rock. What'd you find?
Something they can't bend over to pick up.
Oh, an insulator.
That's a keeper.
Big old grindstones. There's one. Nice little brownie. There's one. Look at that guy. Pretty beautiful. It's a solid can of Axe. Here. Oh.